Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by setting a proper canvas so your design scales cleanly. Select 1920 x 1080 or a custom size and 300 dpi for print. Once done, pick RGB for screen deliverables or a CMYK-like workflow for print conversions, and create named layers, base, sketch, linear, color, highlights, then lock layers you won't touch. You want a clean, non-destructive setup now so edits later are simple, and you won't lose detail when exporting. You'll work with brushes and stabilization to get precise lines, choose dip pen for crisp edges, and set stabilization around 510 to steady your hand. Then use selection and fill to block flat colors quickly. Create clipping groups to confine shadows and highlights without altering base shapes. Make layout adjustments with transform or free transform and toggle the grid and snap to align elements. This sequence keeps your workflow organized and makes iterative changes efficient and reversible. You finish by refining color with adjustment layers, use hue/saturation and brightness to unify tones, and add final effects like gradients or textured brushes sparingly. Once satisfied, export a PNG for web, save PSD for layered edits, or output PDF/TIFF at 300 dpi for print. If performance issues occur, rasterize heavy vectors, clear the app cache, or adjust canvas resolution and brush density to reduce lag. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can roll back if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.